guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today what we're going to do is decorate my kitchen for fall. I'm really looking forward to this. I'm enjoying decorating so much, and I thought you might like to decorate with me. But first, I have some shout outs to do. I went to my P.O. box and 2 people had sent me something, and it was so sweet and thoughtful. Just to think that you take time to think of me and just to do the things you do, I'm really touched. So thank you both so much. Okay, first of all, Tina made these for me. She crocheted these. This is a little butterfly, and this is another little butterfly. I know that took so much work. You're so talented. Thank you. I think they're so pretty. And then she made me this right here. It's kind of like a large doily-like table runner. And I'm going to put these in my craft room so that I can have them in there when I'm working and think of you. So thank you so much. And then I received this card, a get well card in the mail from Canada. And I know that you made this, and I love it. It is so pretty, and it has little stone right up through here, stones. I love them. They're so pretty, so thank you so much. And thank you for letting me know it was coming, because the other time I didn't get to my P.O. box for quite a while. So, all right, let me go ahead and turn everything around and we will start decorating for fall. First of all, I thought I'd show you what all we have to decorate with. My little sign I made with my Cricut, and then this right here, these little bobbleheads from the Dollar Tree. I just put those, hot glued them onto little containers full of little snacks. And then my candy jars that I made a couple years ago. And then I just put this in some flowers from the Dollar Tree. And then we have that little arrangement I made. And then my lantern that I made. I think it's so pretty. And then my signs over here. And then I made another little bobblehead. And I wanted to tell you all that if you're at Cracker Barrel and you see pumpkin peanut brittle candy, it's well worth it. I don't know how much it was. My husband got it. It is so good. It's addictive. So, all right, let's go ahead and start decorating. Okay, the first thing I want to do is take this sign that I hauled from Old Time Pottery and put it right in here. Just gonna snug it right in that corner. I think that looks so pretty. Okay, and then I want to take this. I hauled it from Hobby Lobby quite a while ago. It was like 50% off, and I'm gonna put it right there. And I recycled my pumpkins. This used to have a stick through it, but I took it off. I just love how that looks, and I'm going to set that right like that. I think that is so pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to put this little one right here, that little pumpkin, and from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take this Dollar Tree pumpkin and just kind of lean it right there. I think that is really cute. Okay, so now you will see right here I've hung my autumn harvest sign. Okay, so now I'm going to put my tea towels on here. I got these at Old Time Pottery several years ago, and I love them. I think they're so adorable. They just look so fall and festive to me, and I think it's already looking so much better in here. Now we're going to go to this corner right back in there, okay? So what I want to do is I'm going to use my lantern. But first, I'm going to get this. And I got this at Hobby Lobby quite a while ago, and I hauled it, and it was on sale. Going to set it right here, but first, I'm going to take these leaves from the Dollar Tree and just sort of snug them right in here like that. And then I'm going to take my little lantern that I painted last year. They had these at Walmart. I think I've seen them this year. I painted it to make it look like fall, and I added fall flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I took a Dollar Tree candle and painted it to make it look old. So we're going to put this right here. I love it sitting right here in this corner, and it sits right on top of this. And I'm just adding some of these little leaves to kind of break up a lot of that white. I really think that is cute, okay? Now what I want to take is this Dollar Tree charger that many of you saw me get online when I was doing the top cash back video, and just this little sign here that I got at Old Time Pottery, and I think that looks so warm and welcoming, okay? So let me go ahead and flip the camera around to the other side and we'll get this decorated. Okay, now we're going to work right over here. I'm going to put this little basket that just contains a bunch of flowers from the Dollar Tree and Michael's that I got on sale, and I think it is so pretty. I think it just livens up everything. I'm so pleased with how that turned out. That's just the perfect touch, okay? Then what I'm going to do right in here is I always put my little candy jars that I made. They're so pretty. This is from Dollar Tree, that's from Dollar Tree, and this is from Dollar Tree. And I just spray painted them. And I have candy jars for all the seasons, and I love them. They just make everything look so festive. Okay, that's what we have. I know this is a lot of glare. Then I'm going to put this little sign that I made with my Cricut right here. Okay, and that is what we're getting so far, all right? Okay, now I want to add these little embellishments for my door handles. I got this one at, I think it was Hobby Lobby. I just think they're so pretty. I think they give such a nice look, okay? And then I have one more thing I want to add to that, is this little give thanks from the Dollar Tree. I think that's really cute like that. That I'm happy with, okay? All right, now we're going to work in this corner, okay? So I got this at Target's Dollar Spot quite a while ago, and I'm just going to put this about right here. And then I'm going to take this. I just got these at Big Lots quite a while ago. They weren't very expensive at all. And like I said, I just hot glued little embellishments from the Dollar Tree, these little bobbleheads. I think they're so cute. So I'm going to put that right here. Then I'm going to put the little girl, I think she's cute, right here. And I'm going to put the owl right there, okay? Probably scoot them down just a little bit. Let's take a look at how this turned out. Right here, if you're standing here and you look this way, this is what you see. And I really do love how this turned out. Right here, I just have a Dollar Tree sign that says Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. And I just put a little flower up there to hide the command hook. But I really do like that. And I love how warm this basket looks with those flowers. That is really pretty, I think. Then we'll just come around this way. And if you look up here, I just put some window clings. Normally I get them from the Dollar Tree, but I got these from Big Lots, and they just says, I love fall most of all, give thanks, thankful, and they have little acorns. I love that. And then here are my little candy jars that I made with that precious little sign. It's so cute. And it's really impossible to film this, but that is where I put my little houses from the Dollar Tree that Shelly sent me, and then I put glitter on them and put those really pretty printables that I got online, and then I just have some Dollar Tree pumpkins there. And then right up here I always have my peppers hanging, okay? And then right here I just have a little, I think I got this at the Dollar General, but it's really cute for a soap dispenser. And then the same principle here. These just have those little, I can't think of the name of them, but they're really good. And then this is that pumpkin brittle I was telling you about. It's delicious. You'll notice there's not a whole lot left, but you really didn't get a whole lot in the box, but I have been into it. And then this back here has some kind of pumpkin bark, pumpkin spice bark from Cracker Barrel, and I didn't care for it. And then here's Farm Fresh pumpkins. And then here we have the sign, gather around the table. And I just put some Dollar Tree berries right there. And then my little wooden bowl with the flowers. And then here's all this. But this is kind of like a one-stop shop for us. We can get our snacks, put them on the plates, and make us something to drink. And then right here, the same principle, happy fall, blessed, happy Thanksgiving, and grateful, okay? And then I always decorate my refrigerator. Normally, the same thing goes. I use Dollar Tree, but this time I wanted something different and had used everything that Dollar Tree had. So I picked this up as a set at Big Lots, pumpkin patch. I really thought that was cute. So that's how my refrigerator is. And then on top there's the Dollar Tree frames that I painted and just put printables that I found on Google up there. Okay, and then right here is the little embellishment on my door. Now I didn't put my mat down in front of the oven. I will, but I just didn't do it yet. And then I have my tea towels here. That looks better, they're in the center. And then right here is my pretty lantern. I just love it. When you come in here and the lights are off, it just glows, and I think it looks so fall. So I love this little vignette. And then there's my autumn harvest sign. And then if you come here, this is what you see over here. And I really love the warmth and how pretty it is. And then I just put a sign right up here with the same little flowers. So that's how that looks. I'll step back and let you get an overall view one more time and turn slow. But that is how I have my kitchen decorated for fall. I love it. It's just such a happy place to be. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.